What are the 3 things affiliate marketers need to survive online? Find out in this video. Now before we get started, make sure to like this video, share this video, subscribe, and click that bell icon so every time I bring out a new video, you'll be notified right away. This way, you'll be updated with all the latest information so you don't miss a beat. So what are the 3 most important things that affiliate marketers need to know? Well, obviously when you're trying to affiliate market, you're trying to sell things. One of the things you can do is to try to deviate from everything and show people how unique you are. One of these is by using a unique web page to promote the products that you're using, and try not to lump things all together. It's really important that you've got a separate site for each niche you're trying to sell for. And if you're doing any sort of reviews, it's important that you make sure that you are being very creative. If you're too bland and boring, no one's going to want to read anything about it or even learn anything about what you're trying to teach them. You got to find a way to capture their attention. Articles are a great way to provide information to people. You can get lots of information on the internet about just about anything. You can always search for something, recycle something. Something has always been written about something, and people are always hungry for information. So that is a good tactic to be able to find some additional information. Free reports are also something you can offer your readers. There's lots of things that you can find online. One place I suggest you're looking is called the PLR store. They provide all sorts of copyright-free materials, some at a very low cost, and you're also some are available to provide free, some you can actually resell. You just have to check what the limits on the copyright are, but those are definitely great tools to provide some quality product to your subscribers or to anyone who's looking on the net. And what's some of the worst things that can happen overall on the internet is that you don't make a sale. Sometimes losing a product or losing a prospect is probably the worst thing that can happen. However, you don't really know unless you put yourself out there. You don't sell anything if you don't try to make a sale. And also, one of the hardest things to do probably is to make sure that you're not being too generalized. You got to be specific. You got to really target who it is that you're looking for. As far as a customer, think about who is your customer, what do they want, what are they thinking. Don't try to cover everything. Be surgical in what it is you're trying to sell them. If it's one specific product, don't try to sell them the world. You really just need to focus in and figure out what you want to do. If you're writing articles, it's good to write at least 2 articles a week. 300 to 600 words is usually good. More is always better. And when you're advertising and trying to get things in front of people, you got to remember only about 1 in 100 people are likely to buy your product or even be interested in your product. So you really have to look at volume. Anyways, this is really just a short video, but I just want to go over some of the stuff. And it's really not hard to affiliate market. You just need to really focus on your audience, focus what your message is, focus what your product is, and look at volume and try to leverage what you can, whether it's other material you can find online, or if it's something like from the PLR store where you can find material that you can resell or provide free. Be creative. Like I said, no one's going to pay attention if you look the same as everything else. So find something that grabs someone's eye. Someone's bound to want to buy something eventually, so good luck. Was any of this information helpful? If so, let me know in the comments below. And also make sure you like this video, share this video, and subscribe and click that bell icon so every time I bring out a new video, you'll be notified right away. This way, you'll be updated with the latest information so you don't miss a beat. Also, if you want to learn how to make money online legitimately, the right way and properly, visit HindeSights.com and learn step-by-step how to do that. Or click the link in the description to get started. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.